Welcome to my channel Wild Soul.Cooking. Today you will find 4 easy and delicious recipes for delicious toast. 2 slices of bread. Cut out the middle of the bread. A little olive oil. What country are you viewing my recipe from? I will be glad if you write. Fry until golden. 2 egg whites. We will leave the yolks for later and use them later. Look how crispy the slices turned out. You can spread cream cheese and it will be very tasty. A little green onion. My dream is 70,000 followers and I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each of you. Thank you for being with me. 2 slices of ham. Salt. Mix everything well. Olive oil. Pour the mixture into the center and fry for about 2-3 minutes. Put the yolks on top and cover with a lid. Fry for 3 minutes on low heat. If you want to support me, please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and support. See you in the next video. Cześć! Dziś pokażę Wam ulubiony przepis mojego męża. Gotuję go 3 razy w tygodniu. Napisz komentarze, z jakiego miejsca oglądać ten film. proszę polubić ten film, to dla mnie bardzo ważne. I zasubskrybować mój kanał, aby nie przegapić nowego filmu. Udostępnij ten film na mediach społecznościowych, to pomoże mojemu kanałowi rosnąć. Subskrybuj mój kanał i kliknij w dzwonek, aby nie przegapić pysznych nowych przepisów. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will prepare a recipe for delicious toasts. 2 slices of bread. My new team is 70,000 followers. Subscribe to the channel. 4 tablespoons of strawberry jam. If you want to support me, please share this video. Two processed cheeses. If you liked this recipe, give it a like and write in the comments. Mayonnaise. I will be very happy for your subscription. Click the bell so you don't miss my new recipes. 2 more slices of bread. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. Two eggs. Mozzarella cheese. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. You can put any of your favorite cheese. Bake for 10 minutes. If desired, add a little oregano. I will make a cappuccino this time. It's hot outside today and I want to add some energy. Very tasty. Hello, today we will cook a grilled cheese sandwich. 2 eggs, salt. Where are you looking from? Please write, it's very interesting. 1 tablespoon of milk. My dream is 50,000 followers. Subscribe to the channel. Mix all the ingredients well. A piece of butter. Do you fry in butter or vegetable oil? Send this video to your friends because it's very tasty, and press the bell. 2 slices of bread. The egg is early tender. Carefully turn over. Like this video if you like it and write your opinion in the comments. Now wrap inside how I do it. Two slices of cottage cheese. Write in the comments how you like this breakfast idea and subscribe to the channel. Fry for 1-2 minutes. We have cool weather today, so we will prepare warm tea. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. What is the weather like in your city today?